Hello everyone. Today in this video what we are going to discuss is vowel sounds. Vowels are those sounds that are produced freely without any kind of obstruction or constriction of air stream. Air is expelled by the lungs and coming to the mouth through the trachea in the vocal tract. Generally, vowels are divided into two types. They are monophthongs and diphthongs. Vowels are classified based on the part of the tongue. They are front vowels, back vowels, and central vowels. Vowels are classified based on the height of the tongue. They are closed vowels, half closed vowels, half open vowels, and open vowels. Finally, the vowels are classified based on the lip position. They are rounded and unrounded. There are 12 monophthongs in English. The first sound is E sound. The three-term description of this sound is close front unrounded vowel sound. The examples of this sound are heat, see, each, beak, beach, deep, feed, feel, seed, seek. The next sound is E sound. The three-term description of this sound is close front unrounded vowel sound. The examples of this sound are this, filter, device, bit, pick, if, think, dim, chip, sick.
This is the sound is yeah sound. The three-term descriptions of this sound: closed mid-front unrounded vowel. There are some words that start with the yeah sound. For example, every, any, ever, and, let, never, very, help, get, when, then, and well. The next sound is O. The three-term descriptions of this sound: open mid-back rounded vowel. There are some words that start with the O sound. For example, or, yo, fo, mo, also, talk, almost, although, already, organization, cold, water, important, small.
The three-term description of this sound is mid-central unrounded vowel. The examples of their sounds are person, word, first, early, nest, head, third, turn, service. The second sound is a. The three-term description of this sound is mid-central vowel. The examples are year, never, way, really, road, ever, boat, enter, court, cope.
Now we are going to see the sound is and the three-term description of the sounds are open, front and rounded. The examples of the sounds are article, fast, car, hard, bath, park, far, arm, barn, father. And the next sound is and the three-term description of the sounds are open, back, rounded. The examples of the sounds are sausage, hospital, robe, top, squat, watch, pot, dog, heart, rock.
This is the sound. The three-term description of this sound is near, open, front, unrounded. There are some examples: at, can, cat, canned, nap, cow, flat, back, land, travel. The next sound is the three-term description of this sound is open, mid, back, unrounded. There are some examples: fun, love, money, one, London, come, app, bed, sun, cup.
We can hear the sound is oo. The three-term description of this sound: half closed, back, and rounded. The examples of this sound is put, cook, good, cook, sugar, woman, full, look, should, and took. And then we can hear the longer sound oo. The three-term description of this sound is close, back, and rolled. The examples of the sounds is student, group, school, move, to, do, view, value, you, and then new.